I'm Matt Pike, and today I'll be talking to you about my favourite keyword research tools and link building tools. So the first tool is Answer the Public. What you do is you go to the website, type in a topic, and then on that topic it will show you what people are searching on Google. It's a good place to find long tail keywords and what kind of questions people are actually asking in Google. Once you know these questions, you can write blogs around them and tailor content towards them. This is especially useful for mobile search as people are starting to use the voice more to search. At the top of the funnel, people will be asking questions like who and what. At the second stage of the funnel, people will be asking how. At the third stage of the funnel, people will be asking when. At the bottom of the funnel, people will be looking for terms that include where, so when they're looking to actually buy from you. The second tool is Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is a great free tool, and if you're starting out in SEO, it's a great alternative to tools such as SEMrush. Ubersuggest is adding features to its products all the time. It's a great way to find out the cost per click for terms, the search volume, and much more. It's also a good place to find other keyword suggestions, and you can start to look at website rankings as well as estimated traffic. Again, it is a free tool, so there are some limitations, but if you're starting out, then it's great. The next tool is Keyword Density Checker. The way you use this is find a competitor's webpage, type in that URL, and then from the information you find there, you'll find out how many words that they're using on that page. And you'll also be able to pick up the density of keywords, so which keywords are being used the most often. Once you know this data, then you can start to improve on what the competitor's doing. So if the competitor's written 500 words for their blog, then write 1,500, 2,000 words. Another tip, once you've got those keywords, go into Google, type them in, and then at the bottom it'll show related phrases, and they're also a good place to get keyword research. By far, my most favourite tool and the biggest WordPress SEO plugin is Yoast. Makes it so easy to optimise your title tags, meta tags, slugs, and helps you create sitemaps. The premium edition's only around £50, $50. It is worth the investment, but again, the free one, you can still do quite a lot on it. When looking to build links for your own website, start off by looking at competitors' websites and where they're getting backlinks from. Although you can start to do this on Ubersuggest, the tool on Ubersuggest is still quite new. But on Ahrefs, you simply type in the URL and you can see what websites they've got backlinks from. This is a free tool, so there are some limitations, but paying for the software, again, it does help. But if you're just starting out, then the free one's more than enough. Once you've got a list of backlinks that from the website, create some great content and then reach out to those websites and try and get backlinks. To reach out to them, send a simple email, say, I feel like the resource off my website can complement your website, would you mind linking out to me? Most of the time, if you've got quality content on your website, then people are happy to link. If not, then don't worry, just go to the next person. So thanks for watching. These are my favourite free keyword research and link building tools. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and I'll see you in the next video.